Now, the Naivasha Member of Parliament Jayne Kihara was today formally arraigned at the Milimani Law Courts, facing charges of incitement to provoke a breach of peace. The case stems from comments she allegedly made during the recent Sabasaba protest, which have sparked a national conversation about political dissent and freedom of expression. According to the charge sheet, Kihara allegedly accused President William Ruto's government of ferrying hired goons into Naivasha using National Youth Service (NYS) vehicles. She also claimed that police allowed the group to operate freely in hotspots such as Karagita and Mahimahiu. Prosecutors argue that her remarks incited public disorder and undermined the state authority. However, our defense team strongly disagrees, highlighting the Section 132 of the Penal Code, under which she's charged, was nullified by a High Court ruling in 2016 for violating constitutional rights. Kihara's arrest took place early Thursday morning at her Maregushu home in Naivasha. In a rare move, she live-streamed the entire arrest on Facebook as officers from the DCI arrived at her compound.
What are the allegations?
Wananiambia ati wanafikiria kuna habari niko naye naweza kusaidia hao na investigation. Kwa hivyo sijui nashikiwa nini na sijui ni information gani wanasema naweza kuwasaidia.
She was later transported to Nairobi and detained overnight at Pangani Police Station. On the Friday morning saw a dramatic turn of events at Milimani Law Courts. Kihara arrived under tight security but was initially held in a vehicle at the court's parking area. Confusion spread when she was briefly removed from the premises, only to be returned 2 hours later for formal arraignment, raising questions about procedural transparency. The Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka and lawyer Ndegwa Njiru accompanied her to court and accused the government of using police and the judiciary to intimidate opposition voices. They termed the arrest as a political persecution and promised to challenge the charges in court. Kihara, a vocal ally of the former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, is now among several leaders facing legal pressures following the recent wave of protests over the controversial finance bill and the high cost of living. The court is expected to set a date for plea taking and determine whether she will be granted bail. As her case unfolds, it continues to stir political debate across the country. Brian Ouma, Gary reports.